What's up, guys? MrAlanC here with the coolest RC I've tried this year. Honestly, this thing, in my opinion, is awesome. So, I want you guys to know this before you watch the video. This RC can be remote controlled by a watch remote control they give you or a actual RC remote control they give you. They both come in the box. So first I'm going to show you how it operates using just your wrist and this watch type remote control they give you. And then I'm going to show you the remote control that's a typical RC remote control. They're both amazing and they do have different features. Let's go. When you rotate it, it's right, left, forward, backward, and you can even make it go up and down with suspension. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we started our engines, and I'm going to take this remote control that goes on your wrist, and I'm going to turn only that on. Holy crap. Look at this. I can control it. So if I tilt my wrist that way, it goes that way. If I tilt my wrist that way, it goes that way. Oh, and look at this. Oh my gosh, this is too cool. Wow, I gotta get this on my wrist. Hang on. Running this all from... Look how this maneuvers. Now, if we turn on the main remote control, which is awesome, I didn't reset this because it was connected to my wrist strap. And now, what we can do, I kind of want to show you guys a remote while I do this. You can go forward, backward. Let me turn it around because we're facing the wrong way. There's forward, backward, left, right for spin. We can transform. Oh, look at that. I like that. And let's see what else we can do. This thing's fast. This is a really cool device. Let's see what else we got. So, there's transform right there. How cool is that? So this like pauses it or something. Right here, we can change the sounds. Oh, that's cool. So we can actually turn that sound off if we want. Look at how fast we can spin. I can hit that, it'll honk. Turn those sounds on and off. Man, this is amazing. Who doesn't like a nice burnout? Man, so this thing pretty much, when you turn it, just rotates it, which is almost like drifting. Man, this is amazing. I love it. I can even drive backwards if I want. How cool, guys. This is an awesome device that anybody would be lucky to have and drive. Can't wait to take this outside. Thanks for checking it out with me. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.